Eating snacks whenever you're bored. First, these are my favorite. Seed on wine flavors. These are so good. Best snack in the world. 10 out of 10. Number 2, Lemon Prime. This is the best drink in the world. Oh yeah. A lemon out of 10. We got Prime, boys. No. The best. First, number 3, Cinnamon Pop-Tarts. These are good. I try one. Not out of 10. They're a little dry, but man, these are bussin'. Bussin' and bussin'. Bye-bye, subscribe.